May sales report and best-selling items. For the month of May, I had 235 sales across all stores. This is a 70% increase from the 138 sales I had last month. This increase came because of Mother's Day. Sales broken down by store. Miss Rhodey, 180. Weddings by Rhodey, 22. Homeschool Me, 8. Rhodey's Kitchen, 6. Alma Africa, 13. Bible Verses and Gifts, 4. Earrings by Rhodey, 2. Most stores experienced a great increase, but 2 stores decreased in sales. That was Homeschool Me, which was a 20% decrease, and Rhodey's Kitchen, 68% decrease. I'm assuming Homeschool Me decreased because the school year is coming to a close. But let's take a look at why Rhodey's Kitchen may have decreased. In April, I sold a lot of shot glasses. However, in May, I didn't. I now realize that I need to really promote more. When something is selling in large numbers, I can't assume that it will just continue to sell by itself. I have to continue to give that product exposure. Best-selling items. My Happy Father's Day rustic photo card is number 1 this month. In second place was my Best Dad Ever photo t-shirt. My third bestseller was my Best Grandpa Ever photo t-shirt. The rest of my sales were mainly last-minute Mother's Day cards and gifts. Honorable mentions. It's good to see sales from Earrings by Rhodey. I am still selling wedding invitations and related items, so I will really start promoting these items heavily. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I had 7 referrals. These referrals were a Bible verse card magnet, wedding wishing well cards, baby shower invitations, Cookie Monster stickers, and Cookie Monster baby t-shirts. Takeaways. I can see that the economy is continuing its recovery. I am happy to see that event items such as wedding invitations and baby shower products are picking up even more steam this month. I believe e-commerce will really make its mark on the economy this year.